Watch before minting NFTs. 3 tips for minting NFTs in 2021. Guys, today I will be telling you about 3 tips that will help you in your minting process. Just to give you an idea, before minting your NFTs, there are different factors that help you in selling your NFTs better and that can help you save money. So let's get started. So the first tip is that do not mint early. When it comes to minting in a project, what happens is that most of the people think that if they will mint early, before even the project is announced and they are ready, and when the project is announced they mint within seconds. That is a good thing in a way, that you're fast and you have minted your NFT early than other people. But as we look at it from another point of view, it's not a good thing, because when you mint early on a project and the project does not attract the audience that much, it does not get the fame it wanted, or it is not making money as it should be, then it becomes a real problem for you, because you're not selling your NFT that you have just minted, and you have already then what will happen is you minted your NFT, you have paid the gas fee, you have paid the transaction fee, and the project was a big loss. Yeah, it did not caught up. So what will happen is that your NFT will go to waste and your money will go to waste. So, and when a project is outdated, then nobody actually cares about it, because there are literally projects coming every second. So my advice to you is that do not mint early. When a project is released and you like it, you're like, okay, this is the project that I'm gonna mint my NFT to. So just wait for some time to just take a look how the project is doing, and what is the market value, and how it's attracting the traffic, and if it's selling the NFT or not. And then you definitely should mint your NFT. But don't rush, don't go beyond and just mint without thinking. Just take a second before minting your NFT on a project. So that's actually a very big advice from different creators. I have heard them saying that it was their biggest mistake to mint early. So yeah, make sure to just take a second to go through all of the details and go through all of these different ideas that how the project is going to do, and then mint your NFT. Okay, so now we're at the second tip. The second tip is that mint through contract. Now most of the people, they'll be like, okay, like they mint very simply, what how everybody does. But then there is a process called minting through contracts. So let me show you how you can actually save gas fee, and you can actually mint with cheap gas fee. That's actually a trick that I saw a creator doing it, and I actually really liked it, and I think it worked. So I'm just gonna take you to any of the NFT. Let's go to any NFT and let me show you how does the contract work, and how you can actually use this very cool trick in order to reduce your gas fee. So let's go to this one. This one is cute. Let's open this up. Okay, so what you have to do is just simply open the NFT. This is what the NFT is. The price is 0.3 Ethereum, which is $1,000. Great. So what you have to do is go to the details right here. From details, go to contract address. Click on this, and it will actually take you to Etherscan. Now on Etherscan, what you have to do is, you can see right here, go to contract. On contract, go to write contract. And in write contract, what you have to do is find the word mint. Like this is what we're looking for. And this is mint right here. Sometimes the word will be different. So what's going to happen is, in mint, this is what I was looking for, mint and token number. So what you're going to do is, this is what is payable amount in ethers, and then this is the unit. So what I'm going to do is, for example, I want to mint it for 0.6, right? And the token number is, there is only one. and I will just simply click on write. So once I click on write, if it were my NFT, because we came from someone else's NFT, you just saw it was so random. If it were my NFT, then when I would have clicked on write, my MetaMask would have been opened here with the all of the details for what I was minting for. For example, it was zero point 0.6 and it was one token, right? So it would have shown me all the details of the through the contract, that what amount of gas fee I am going to pay. So what happens is, here's the trick. What you have to do is, for example, your token is, there are 5 tokens that you're going for, or maybe one. So what you will do is, you will write 5 here and multiply zero point 0.6 with 5. So it will be like 0. So it's gonna be 3 actually. So what's gonna happen now is, if my MetaMask will be open here, so what I will do is that just simply go to your MetaMask, right? Click on write and then click on reject. You will actually see the option here. Unfortunately, I am not right now because this is not my NFT and I am not minting. So that's why I cannot show you, but I think you will get an idea. When you will be here, all you have to do is just click on write, and when you will click on write, you will see the details here, rejected. Click on write again, you will see the details again, rejected. When you will keep rejecting it, it will keep reducing the gas fee. I have seen people doing it, so I think it works. They have claimed that it worked, so you can actually do that as well. It's so simple. It's just very simple trick that will help you decrease your gas fee while minting your NFT. So pretty cool, right? So you can just simply go ahead and do that. So for now, I'm just gonna go back. I don't know whose NFT it was, but it's super cool. So yeah, that brings us to my third advice or tip, which is wait for the drop day, or keep track of the drop day. Now, this is the thing. When I'm talking about different NFTs, if you're going to buy, that is also what you should do. And when you are minting your NFTs, so you have to keep track of the drop day of any of the project. Why? Because it's not because that you want to mint early. Again, I told you, you'll say that it's opposite to my first tip. But what I'm saying is, so sometimes what happens is that the projects, they say that the website is not loading, and they will say, okay, go to our link. And the people who log in through their link, or come through their links, so what happens is, the websites of the projects of different creators, they have these options on, most of the time on Discord. All of their Discords are linked, and they announce their drop on Discords first, and the people who come through Discord, they actually get these discounts, and it's actually pretty amazing. So yeah, keep track of these kind of things when you're waiting for a big project. So keep in mind to just check out their websites daily, or keep track of their Discord, or any links, or anything they are referring to. It will help you a lot to mint your NFT with discount or with better pricing, and it will actually be very cheaper for you. And people do that. They are clever, so you should do that too. Now you know that. So yeah, keep track of the discourse and links that they send, and yeah, you will be good to go. And another thing, when a drop day is coming, keep your Ethereum ready. Don't be like have transactions stuck or things like that. Be ready for it before minting your NFTs for a project or whatever you are doing, because of course we need to get out there and sell our NFTs. So it will be a great opportunity for you. So yeah, guys, once you have the right time to mint, and how to mint through a contract, and you have checked the drop day, then I think you are ready to sell your NFTs and to mint your NFT, to just get out there and become rich. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.